This is a Fitbit Sense, and you have an issue where you have a black screen, the display won't turn on. However, you know that it's on because if you tap the side button here, you can feel it vibrate, okay? Now take note that this one here is fixed, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you two easy solutions to get you back up and running now, okay? So we'll just pretend my screen is black. I can't see nothing on my screen. I don't know what's going on. The first thing you wanna do is this. You have the power button here on the side, and what you want to do is press and hold and do not let go until you see the Fitbit logo appear. Now the trick is as soon as you press and hold, you should feel it vibrate, okay? So let's do this together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I just felt it vibrate. Okay, I'm just going to keep on holding now. Let's just pretend my screen is black. I have no idea what's going on. I'm still holding on to that side button there, hoping to see a Fitbit logo appear. I just felt it vibrate. And now Fitbit logo, go ahead and let go. And now you guys should be up and running. Now this whole boot up process takes about 30 seconds to fully boot up. Now if this didn't work for you on the first try, give it a go again. Press and hold, do not let go until you see this Fitbit logo, okay? And like I said, it typically takes about 30 seconds for it to boot back up. Okay, there we go. Now let's say you tried this 5 or 6 times and you still have the black screen. The second method I have for you is this. Go ahead and grab your charger, and what you want to do is pop it on the charger, and what you want to do is just let it charge for about 5 minutes, okay? Just let it sit there for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, come back. Again, let's pretend my screen is totally black, and we want to do the same thing. You want to press and hold this button until you see the Fitbit logo, all while it is still charging. Okay, so we're going to do this together. Ready? Here's the button here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. I felt it vibrate. Perfect. Now I'm just going to sit there and hold it. Pretend my screen is black. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just praying for a Fitbit logo to appear. Still holding. Don't know what's happening. Still holding. Still, I just felt it vibrate. Where's that logo? Come on. There it is. Go ahead and let go. Give it about 30 seconds ago, 30 seconds or so, and it should be fully booted back up. And now you have a working Fitbit Sense watch. Does this work for you? Give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, thumbs down. Good luck, guys.